Welcome to Friday's Assembly. I'm really pleased that you're here today to hear about all the fantastic things that have been happening over the last week. The first thing has been our challenge. So on Monday, I set challenge 6, and it was to make a puppet, particularly with a character from a book that you've been reading or one of your favorite books. And all of the children and some of the adults have made some amazing puppets. Let's have a look. Those are some amazing puppets, aren't they? Wow, I've been so impressed by them. I'm sure that the children who have made them are making some fantastic shows for their families to entertain them while we are learning from home. So now it's time for us to have our awards. And the first award is going for gold. So, first up is Oxford class. In Oxford class, we have Maruna, and this is for her effort for her coal mining project. Well done, Maruna. In Cambridge class, we have Harley for working through all of the YouTube lessons and being enthusiastic about the space project that you have now. Well done, Harley. I like hearing about that. In Chester class, we have Isaac for working hard on division and telling time. Well done, Isaac. In Edinburgh class, we have a couple of people. The first person is Patrick's. This is for completing lots of great work at home, including delicious baking over the Easter holidays, and for working to create his own football skills YouTube channel with the grown-ups in his home. Wow, I can't wait to see that YouTube channel on your football skills. Well done, Patrick's. We also have Julia. Julia has been using amazing effort and attitude to all her online learning, and she completes so much fab work. She goes above and beyond. She's even doing Duolingo and learning her French, and she's practicing her French horn. I know that your music teacher is going to be very pleased to hear about that, Julia. Excellent. In Cardiff 1, we have a couple of people. The first person is Caden. This is for the great work at home, not just online, but he's also growing cress and making crumpets. You need to teach me how to make crumpets, Caden. Oh, that sounds delicious. And also in Cardiff class, we have Tyler. He's been on Times Table Rockstars nearly every day over the last week, and your teacher is impressed by your commitment. I like hearing about that, Tyler. Well done. Keep it up. Now in Cardiff 2, we have Tex. This is for his positive attitude towards his home learning. He's always trying his best. I really am pleased to hear that, Tex. You're always someone I know who works hard. Keep it up. In Liverpool class, we have 2 people. The first person is Eric for making some super 3D shapes using sticks and peas, and Scylla for her efforts in all of her learning tasks that she's been doing at home. Well done to both of you. You should be very proud of yourselves. In Hall 1, we have Jack for his superb home learning. It's lovely to see this, Jack. And for Elizabeth as well, for the exact same thing. Miss Jackson is very impressed by the home learning. Well done. Keep it up, both of you. Now in Hall 2, we have Jake K. And this is for his excellent home learning and persevering with his task. Well done, Jake. In York, we have Michelle. This is for her hard work in different home learning challenges. Well done, Michelle. And in Leeds, we have Esme. Now, Esme is one of the youngest children we have in school. She is only 3 years old, but she already knows how to write her name, and she has been drawing lots of different farm animals at home. Well done, Esme. We need to give those children a big round of applause. Well done to all of you. Now, Year of Respect Awards. In Oxford class, we have Katie for cooking a meal for her family, showing respect, and being helpful. That's a really good skill to learn, and it's really helpful for your family. Well done, Katie. In Cambridge class, we have Aaron for respecting himself by showing positive attitudes to our new way of working. I know it can be difficult, and Aaron has been doing so well with it. Well done. In Chester class, we have Jaden. This is for showing good respect for others by learning about different emotions. In Edinburgh class, we have 2 people. The first one is Alfie. This is for learning by working and trying really hard to improve his times tables on Times Tables Rockstars. And for Connor, for working really hard on Times Table Rockstars and trying to improve his scores. That shows a lot of self-respect. Excellent, boys. Well done. In Cardiff class, Cardiff 1, we have Noah for always smiling and for working really well with his brother and making grass heads and kindly asking how his teacher is doing when he emails her with his work. In Cardiff 2, we have Noah K. And this is for challenging himself with his home learning and showing a lot of self-respect by not giving up. In Liverpool class, we have Sienna. This is for not giving up even when things were a challenge. Well done, Sienna. In Hall 1, we have Aiva for accessing the Times Table Rockstars recently. Keep up the work. Keep it up. In Hall 2, we have Joshua for helping and supporting the people in his home. In York, we have Ashton. This is for respect for the environment when he's taking part in the spring hunt. In Leeds, the last one, Leeds, we have Alfie. And this is for being on lots of walks and had a picnic and listening carefully to his mom. What another wonderful group of children to receive these awards for the Year of Respect. Well done. Big thumbs up. Well, that has been another fantastic week, hasn't it? Now, some things I want to remind you about. I told you about it last week. I'm reminding you this week. The Big Sing is coming up soon on the 12th of May. And you can find all the information on the school website. Have a look. I'll put the link in the description of this YouTube video. We're to learn the song, and you can video parts of the song or all of the song and send it to me, and we're going to make one big video with everybody's bits and pieces in the singing. And then we're going to send it off to Wakefield, who is going to make even bigger video with everyone who has participated. It's a lovely song to sing called One, and it has a lot of meaning behind it, but it's really easy to learn, so have a go at it. All right, people, that's it for today. Now, we have another assembly on Monday with a new challenge. So this weekend, get some rest, enjoy yourselves, relax, listen to your family, the adults of your family, and have a good weekend. Bye for now.